Good morning, product owner and customer. Today, the development team would like to show you the progress we've made over the course of the last sprint, and we hope you like what you see. First and foremost, you're going to see the change to the UI. You can see a sidebar here, which will expand as we get further into this demonstration. You'll see a status bar up top, which is kind of rough at the moment, but it serves our purposes and shows how the end functionality will be. And then as we add components, you're going to see data display down here. So let's jump right into it. First, we're going to look at team management. So it's important to track our developers, and using this interface, as you can see, I've pre-populated it with a bunch of people. We can add team members as you would expect. Can add, let's go with product owner. Something that's kind of unique. All right, there we go. We can add a person. We can edit a team member. Let's say this is obviously from when we were testing validation, which now works, by the way. We're going to go ahead and edit team member, and we're going to make them John Smith. This person is going to be QA, and let's say obviously this email is incorrect. I'm going to give them a valid email address. There we go. As you can see, we were able to edit them. And let's say this is obviously some problems, so we can remove them. And we get some feedback there. And finally, we can, let's see, we want to find Todd. We don't know where Todd is. Oh, there Todd is. You can also, the search bar works dynamically for both name and email. Moving right along, we're going to start putting together a project. We're going to call this a demo project. And we're going to put in some stuff here. You're going to see it shows up in the sidebar, shows up here. And now that we have a project, we're going to add some sprints. Sprint 1. Add sprint 2. You add. There's not a lot to see in here, but you can see the feedback on the bar is which one's selected, and you can see that reflected up here. Let's go ahead and add a user story. It's a very valuable user story. We'll go ahead and we can see it is here in sprint 2. Now let's go ahead and add a task to that. So we want sprint 2, and then user story 1, task 1. And as you can see, it's correctly added itself in here. You can also see the story points back from the user story. They got added up here. We have to make some progress on that if we want to get the next sprint done. That's the task system. All right, now let's talk about saving and loading real quick. So we're going to save this project, and we're going to save it as, what did I name this? Save 1. Let's call this save 2. Project saved. We're going to go ahead and pull that up real quick. Give me just a moment. Save to open with Notepad. We don't want to deal with Visual Studio today. All right, so as you can see, it saves as JSON. And then let's say we want to load. I'm going to load another project I previously saved, just so we can see things change up here. Project loads successfully. This project is also named Demo Project. I'm not very original, and it has only one sprint. Thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoy the progress you've seen so far.